Smile.
A legally authorized nurse practitioner.
Show me your nails. Hi.
Nakadungan ka rin na nandito. Ano pa ba, Clara?
Dito ko po.
May pearl pa. Okay ako, may pearl. Ito ba?
Ay, asa yung bag mo?
Good morning. Today is January 13 and it's my oat-taking day! Hi! Kasi hindi naman na tayo nasakain. Kita na naman.
Wow!
We're finally done preparing. Smile.
No, read that one.
Wow, galing. Cebu Pacific.
Hindi mamaya pa si Dilay dyan. Iba pang anong grupo yan. Ito na yun. Oo, ito na yun. Picture ka, be?
Thank you po.
Pasok ka na, dali. Oo.
With a rating of 89.40% from Bicol University in Legazpi, Lira Monique Orbate Elgoño. Also in rank 9 from speaker this evening, the chairperson of the Board of Nursing, Honorable Elsie A.T. Request everybody to please rise.
No other than our very own chairperson, Dr. Elsie Timbresa Antiporta P. Let's give her a big round of applause.
High national passing average? Yes? Yes. Because before, it's only in the line of 50s, already high, pag 60s, but this time, you had a whooping, as I have said, 80s. You must thank the one above for that. Are at the heart of healthcare. Do you know that? Yes, of course, we know that. And therefore, because we are there in the healthcare facilities 24/7, our patients depend on us, right? Yes. And because that is the case, this is what, let us never consider ourselves finished nurses. We must be learning all our lives. This is my challenge.
It reads, the Professional Regulation Commission and the Professional Regulatory Board of Nursing present this Certificate of Appreciation to Honorable Elsie A.T. during the insincere and grateful appreciation of her support and invaluable time as guest of honor and speaker during the oath-taking ceremony of the successful new nurses of the November 2023 Philippine Nurse Licensure Examination.
I state your name.
I,
Or state your address.
Naga City.
Hereby solemnly swear
Hereby solemnly swear
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Philippines,
the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and executive orders promulgated
promulgated
by the duly constituted authorities
by the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear
I further solemnly swear
that at all times and places
that at all times and places
I will adhere closely
I will adhere closely
to the ethical
to the ethical
and professional rules
and professional rules
generally accepted
generally accepted
by the nursing profession in the Philippines,
by the nursing profession in the Philippines,
and that I will well
and that I will well
and faithfully discharge
and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my
the
ability
duties and obligations
the duties and obligations
incumbent upon a legally authorized nurse practitioner.
a legally authorized nurse practitioner.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations and welcome to the whole new registered nurses.
Orbase Pelhoni.
This is the very reason why we are here, about to claim our licenses.
Kayo dinagdagan ni Julian ang
Hi guys, hi friends, new friends, RN friends.
Hi! Allen Q1.
Oh, magpakilala kayo. Hi, I'm Nurse Alex. Oh, Luzelle po. Ay, nang lalabas.
May daan ng Milaor, ka lang dapat naman.
Early ang ano na yan, yung subdivision na yun, yung bandang kanan. Puro mga seaman yan. Puro mga official lang. Ano nga yan? Ano yung pangalan? Letter S ata yun. Ano ba yan? Si Sandy po siya. Puro mga seaman nakatira dyan.
Kung kukuha ka ng bahay, mas maganda yung may lupa, hindi kondo.
Totoo yan. Dos kasi ngayon, dito sa Maynila, mga nasa 3,000.
Doon sa amin.
Parang tanga naman itong dala ko. We're going to Bicol. May online, ay may booking book. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Natakpan naman. Mama.